Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to cut a beautiful dress with a square neckline. So I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut it. The length of my fabric of the pattern I'll be using is 32 inches and the width is 13 inches. So I'm going to take my vertical line. So I'll mark 10 inches for the bust point, the waistline of 16.5 inches, then the hip is 23 inches, and this will be the waist hem. I'm going to mark a straight line for the bust point, waistline, and the hip line. So the down part is the length of my dress. So I'm going to take my measurement, the shoulder length. We are going to use 7.5 inches for the shoulder length. So that's 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5 inches. Then I'll come here and mark the neck width of 3 inches. At the shoulder length, I will come down by 1/2 inch. That will be for the shoulder slope. So I'm going to mark a straight line across the shoulder slope to meet with the neck width of 3 inches. Label it, waistline, hip line, and the top length. So I will mark 9 inches for my chest line. So I'm going to make a straight line. Then I will mark a straight line down to the chest line from shoulder slope. So having done that, I'm going to look for the midpoint. The midpoint is, you can fold your tape measurement this way. Then you come in by 1/2 inch. Mark a straight line. Then I'll look for the circumference. So the bust point, I'm going to take my bust point measurement here. 38 inches. We are going to use 38. So 38 divided by 4, that's 9.5. So I'm going to mark my 9.5 here. Then I will connect the armhole line. Having done that, I'm going to take the waist measurement. The waist is 39 inches, 39 divided by 4, that's 9.7. So I'll mark my 9.75 here. Then the hip is 40 divided by 4, that's 10 inches. So that's 10 inches. I'll mark 10 inches here as well. So I'm going to remove 1 inch. So that will be, because I want the hemline to be a bit tight. So I'll mark 9 inches. I will mark the bust point. So the bust point is 4 inches. So I'll mark 4 inches all through. Then at the hip line, I will come up by 1 inch. Then I will come down by 1 inch as well under the bust point. Then I will come in by 1/2 inch here. Then I will connect the line together. So that's it. So having done that, I'm going to divide my chest line into two. So this is the chest line. I'm going to fold the tape this way. Then having done that, I'm going to connect it from here, from the shoulder slope. I will connect it down. You mark a slant line. Having done that, I'm going to come here. Remember, I mark half an inch on both sides. So I'm going to input my 1 inch here. The dart taking of 1 inch, I'm going to mark it here. Then I'm done with it. I'm going to connect my line together. Then you connect it straight down. What we are going to do right now is to cut it out. I didn't add sewing allowance to it, so if you want to cut yours on your fabric, you have to cut it out. You have to add the so you have to add the sewing allowance. So I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to cut the handle. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. So I want you to try this as well. It is very simple to cut, so try it out. So we are going to cut the I'm going to cut the neck out. So we are cutting the neck area out. So you see it. So this is our dress. Now if you want to sew, you are going to sew from here to here. You can see the picture of the thumbnail. The dart point gets to the hip line. So this is where you are going to sew. So we are going to open it up so you can see the line where you are going to sew. So here is our dress. It is very beautiful. So I urge you to cut yours as well. So it's not hard to cut. Just follow the step-by-step guideline. You'll be able to cut yours out. It is very simple. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.